Good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Doing, sir.
Good evening. I think today class is started for first years. You know that for your juniors.
So your voice is not audible, sir.
This is not audible. Uh,
I can hear you, sir.
sorry, Vishal. What about you?
I can hear you properly. There is no distress at all.
Okay. At least I need one or two students to feedback.
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Sheila. Okay. Uh, I think Varsha told. Please check Varsha.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Harini. It is too low, sir. Harini also. I don't know why. From my side, I am speaking. Darshan, sorry, Harini and Varsha. What about now?
yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Harmonic analysis. So I think in the last class we discussed complex form of Fourier series. So I think this is the last topic, harmonic analysis. Okay. Uh, suppose if the given problem is given and like a function, okay, then you can use Fourier transform, the Fourier series method, or half range method, or half range um, cosine method. You have the method, but here suppose instead of giving the function, they gave the numerical values, okay, for x and y. Instead of functions, they give the table values. How to find the Fourier series and Fourier sine and Fourier cosine series for those types of problem. So harmonic analysis, the process of finding Fourier series. Process of for finding Fourier series of a function given by numerical values, given by numerical values. Is known as harmonic analysis. Okay. So for Fourier series, just I will recall you. Okay, for Fourier series, f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n pi x by L plus bn into sin n pi x by L. Okay, this is for Fourier series, and then half range cosine series, CS in short form. I will give you CS means half range cosine series. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L, and SS half range sine series f of x is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity Pn into sine n pi x by L. So now I will tell what is A naught and what is An and what is Bn. Where A naught equal to 2 times mean value of y equal to f of x. In the interval, suppose if it is a Fourier series, then it is c comma c plus 2l. Yeah, or suppose it is in half range sine series or half range cosine series, it is c comma c plus l. C comma c plus l. So this is equal to. So from this itself you can understand Fourier series is defined in the interval 2l, and the Fourier sine series and the Fourier cosine series is defined in the interval. Half range sine, half range cosine series, and half range sine series is defined in the interval length L. So 2 times mean value of f of x. That means sum of y or sum of f of x divided by n. So I will tell you what is n. N is the number of ordinates given in the table. I will tell you later. So this is your a naught, and then an. An is 2 into mean value of f of x mean value of y equal to f of x, or just you can write f of x into cos f of x into cos n pi x by L, in the interval c comma c plus 2l if it is a Fourier series, or if it is a half range sine or half range cosine, then it is 2 into mean value of this in the interval c comma c plus n. So how to write this one? This is an equal to 2 times, so mean value of this function. Okay, that means what? Summation. You should add everything and should divide by n. So f of x into cos n pi x by L whole divided by n. Similarly, Bn 2 times mean value of f of x into sine n pi x by L in the interval c comma c plus 2l, or c comma c plus l. That is equal to 2 times sum of f of x into sine n pi x by L whole divided by n. So this is actually Bn. N is n equal to number of ordinate or you can say that it is a number of intervals so it should be even. Always it is even number of intervals. This is an even number. Okay, and then it should be more important for Fourier series. The length of the interval is 2n. Length of the interval and for cosine series and sine series, half range cosine, half range sine series, the length of the interval is L. Okay. So now I think this is the most important part of harmonic analysis, and then I'll give some note. Note one: when the interval c comma c plus 2l is divided into k equal subintervals, that is 2l by k. Okay, k equal subintervals each of length each of length 2l by k. Okay, only k values of only k values of y equal to f of x are taken into consideration for numerical computation of computation of a naught, comma an and bn. Note 2: an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L is called the nth harmonic. It's called the nth harmonic. Okay, Similarly, A1 n equal to 1 pi x by L plus B1 sine pi x by L is called fundamental or first harmonic. Or first harmonic. And then similarly A2 into where n equal to 2. N equal to 2, we have what? A2 into cos 2 pi x by L plus B2 into sine 2 pi x by L is called the second harmonic, or uh, I think mechanical students gave one name. I think they studied in physics for the second harmonic. Overtone, is it correct? But overtone is not in your book, but octave, second harmonic or octave. And then note number 3. So A1 equal to root of A1 square plus B1 square. Actually, this is amplitude of the first harmonic. Amplitude of first harmonic. A2 equal to root of A2 square plus B2 square. This is actually amplitude of the second harmonic. Okay. So note number 4. This is the last note. Generally, the amplitudes A1, A2, A3, and so on will decrease rapidly. Will decrease rapidly. Okay, so hence in most harmonic analysis problems, hence in most harmonic analysis problem, analysis problems, we may find the first few harmonics. We may find the first few harmonics. Harmonics give you a good approximation to the given function. Few harmonics give a good approximation to the given function. So these are the preliminaries you should know about harmonic analysis. So I classify the problems type into four types: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. First type 1. So given data are in pi form. That means a pi, 2 pi or pi by 2. So like this. Okay. Type 2. Given data are in degree form. Type 3. Given data are in D form. And type 4. Given data are in L form. So now first I'm going to start from type 2. I will give you a practice problem type 1. Type 2. Given data are in degree form. So take your calci, find an empirical formula empirical formula of the form of the form. The form of x is equal to a naught plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. For the following data, so that means they are asking the constant term and the first harmonic. So this is the constant term. This is the fundamental harmonic or first harmonic. For the following uh, data, given that f of x is periodic with a period 2 pi. F of x is periodic with x in degrees. Y equal to f of x. So 0 is a 0 degree, 60 degree, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360. Corresponding value of y is 40, 31, minus 13.7, 20.0, 3.7, minus 21.0, 40.0.
Sir, is this the question, sir?
This is the question. This
Yes,
is
sir.
everything is a question. Okay, now only we are going to solve the problem. Okay. So from the question itself, we know that here we have sine term as well as cosine term. So that's why it is a Fourier series. Okay, we need the representation of Fourier series. That means 2L. We should take. I already told that if it is for Fourier series, you should take the length of the interval is 2L. If it is a half range sine or half range cosine, it is length of the interval is L. So this is the problem comes under Fourier series. So here, here 2L equal to 360 minus 0. 360 is what? 2 pi. Yeah, 2 pi minus 0. So here 2L equal to 2 pi minus 0. That is 2 pi. So this implies L equal to pi. And one more thing, n, here n is the number of ordinates. Earlier I told that the number of ordinates or number of intervals is always even. Okay, but here, see here, this value and this values are repeated. Okay, so the last value is repetition of the first value. So then you can omit the last value. Okay, but sometimes you have here 31, here also 31. So if it is a repetition inside, you don't leave it. Okay, only if it is the last value is a repetition of the first value, you need to remove the, you can leave the last one. Okay, the number of ordinates is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if we consider the number of intervals, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the number of interval is always even. Okay, so usually we say n is the number of ordinate. That is n is 6. So that is an even number. Now f of x. What is f of x? And one more thing, what I told already, I should write here. Since the last values the last value of y is a repetition of iteration of the first. So now only the first 6 values will be used. Only the first 6 values will be used. Okay. So and then it is better to write here n equal to 6. Okay, already I write n equal to 6 here. Okay. So now f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus the summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L. What is L? L is pi plus Bn into sine n pi x by L. L is pi. So pi gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So and I need only what? And I need only the constant term and first harmonic. So that's why I'm going to write a naught by 2 plus n equal to 1 is what? A1 cos x plus b1 sin x. So this is enough. So now what is a naught? What is a1? What is b1? Okay. So I will write what is a naught. A naught equal to what? Already I gave 2 times sum of f of x divided by n. Next a1. A1 is what? 2 by n into summation f of x into cos n equal to 1. So n is 1 pi x by L. L is what? Pi. And then b1 2 by n to summation f of x into sine n, but n is 1 into pi x L. L is pi. Okay. So actually I need to find what? I need to find summation f of x. Summation f of x is nothing but summation y. Yeah, that is the first thing you should keep in your mind. And then I need to find the summation f of x into cos x. F of x into cos x. Okay. So first I will find cos x separately and f of x separately, and then I will multiply f of x into cos x. Similarly, I need to find summation f of x into sin x. So here also I'm going to calculate sin x separately. Already you have a separate column for f of x, and then multiply f of x into sin x. So using the formula, we can guess what is needed. So that is x y. This is y equal to f of x. So this is given in the question. So next I need cos x and sin x. So cos x, sin x. Okay, and then I need what? F of x into cos x, f of x into sin x. Or y into cos x or y into sin x. So now table what is x value? 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. You should stop here. Don't write what? 360. Because already I told that. So this is a repeated value. So you should consider only first 6. So next, y equal to f of x. 40, 31, minus 13.7, 20.0, 3.7, minus 21.0. So actually I need sum of these because sum of f of x I need. Okay. So I will find out later. So cos 0 is 1. Fill up the table quickly and then if you got the answer you can tell. So here cos 01, cos 60.5, that is 0.5, cos 120 is minus half, okay, cos pi is minus 1, cos 240 is what? Minus 0.5, cos 300 is also cos 0.5, half, sin x, sin 0, sin 60, 0.866, sin 120 is 0.866, sin 180 is 0, sin 240 is minus 0.866, sin 300 is minus 0.866. Now multiply f of x into cos x, 40 into 1, 40, 31 into half, that is 15.5. Okay, if you multiply these two, I will write, if suppose if there is any mistake, please point out. 6.85 minus 20 into minus 1 minus 20, and half of this, okay, that is minus 1.85. Again, half of this is minus 10.5. Okay, now f of x into sin x, that is a column 2 into column 4. 40 into 0, 31 into this is a 26.846. So next minus 11.864, 0, minus 3.204, and then 18.186. So I need a sum of second column and this column, that is the fifth one and sixth one. So this value, have we got the value? Okay, otherwise I will write. So please check it. 60. This is a summation f of x.
Yes, sir. 60s.
Okay.
Sir, is that A not value 30, sir?
A naught is 20, Vishal.
Oh, okay, sir. I will recheck once again.
Okay, no problem. F of x into cos x,
30s.
30. Correct, Sheila. Summation. Okay, and then here summation f of x into sin x.
Sir, that is also almost 30s.
Yeah, 29 point. Okay, till
29.964.
964. Yes. So now we need to find A naught value, A1 value, B1 value. So A naught is 2 into sum of f of x by n. So 2 by n is 6. Summation f of x is what? 60. This is 1 by 3, so 20. A naught is 20. A1 is 2 into sum of f of x into cos x divided by n. So that is equal to 2 divided by n is 6. This is 30. 30. This is 10. A1 is 10. Okay. A1 is 10. And then B1. B1 is 2 sum of f of x to sin x by n. So this is equal to 2 divided by n is 6. This is a 29.964. If you simplify, you will get 9.98. Yeah. So therefore, f of x is equal to a naught is 20 plus a1 is 10 cos x. B1 is what? 9.988 into sin x. This is the final answer. So, comparative harmonic analysis looks easier for you, but you should identify correctly this is comes under which type first, and whether they're asking Fourier series or they're asking Fourier sine or Fourier cosine. Type 3. Okay, so given data are in T form. The values of x, please write the problem. And the corresponding values of f of x. Over a period capital T are given below. Okay, show that f of x is equal to 0.75 plus 0.37 into cos theta plus 1.004 into sin theta, where theta equal to 2 pi x by capital T. Then x value is x value, f of x value. This is also given the question. Using the values of x only, I classify the type. The previous column, x values are in degree. Here in this column, the values are in T. 1.98, 1.30, 1.05. So again I have 1.30, so it's a repeated values, but you should take both minus 0.88 minus 0.25, but finally here I have 1.98. So it is a repetition. The first and the last values are repeated. There is no need to take this value. Okay, and here the first and the last values are same. Hence, we can omit the last value. This is a question. So we need to show that f of x is equal to, this is actually a naught plus a1 into cos theta plus b1 into sin theta.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell.
sir, if you don't mind, I have small doubts in the last question, sir. Can you move back to the previous slide?
Previous, okay.
The first question, sir. Yeah. Sir, the final equation we got f of x has to satisfy that condition given in the table, no, sir.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, it should
Sir,
satisfy. It is not satisfying. Yeah.
yes, sir, like that. I am done in another way, sir. Like I just put that values and make them three equations, and I then try to solve the equations, sir. Then I am getting it a naught as 30 and a1 b1 as 10 10. If we make that values and substitution equation, and if it,
Sorry. Yeah, this is a naught by two. A naught by two is what, 10.
oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
a
sir.
naught is 20. Okay, wow. So I think your observation, and so actually it should be a naught by two, Leah. So okay, a naught by two, then. So I think I done it wrongly. So now please check it. Thank you,
Okay,
Vishal. Thank you,
okay,
Vishal.
sir. Thank you.
Sir, in
Yes.
question it is given find the empirical form of f of x equal to a naught only, sir. A naught.
Uh, oh, okay. So it is given a naught.
Sir.
Okay,
Like,
okay. Okay. So it is
sir,
okay. If it is asking a naught, then uh, okay, then it is better to write. Uh, so you should write 20 only. There is no other way.
sir,
Okay.
no, that is not by that, sir. Like, I'm asking if they given that when the x value is in 0 degrees means the f of x value should be 40, right? In the table from the mention
Yeah.
that
Yes.
x is in degree, the
Yeah.
y value should be 40.
Yes.
But when you're trying to substitute that x equal to 0 degrees in our equation means that f of x value is getting as 13, so then how
So
we can
suppose
tell that?
if you consider 10, you are getting the correct answer.
No, sir. If we consider a not equal to 30, then I will get the correct answer, sir. Like, if we consider
30.
x as 0 means, then how can the condition will be satisfied, sir? Like, 20 plus
Uh,
10, it will be 30, not 40, sir.
when x is equal to 0. Okay.
0.
Uh, okay. When x is equal to 0, f
F of
of
x should
x.
be 40.
Yeah. So this is 30. What about this? This is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir. This will
Yeah,
be
yeah,
0.
yeah.
And,
Yes.
like, when I try to, like, generally solve it by forming the equation space, by solving the, like that, if I try and make, then it's getting as 30 plus 10 cos x plus 10 sin x, sir. The
Uh,
equation is solved like that.
so actually, again, this is some approximation. Okay, it's not give you this method is not giving the exact value. I
Yes, sir. So,
understand that.
like we are neglecting that 360 degrees value means, so we will get some changes, sir. But
Uh,
it giving the drastic change between like a little, there is a difference up to like 10 digits, no, sir. Like 10 value is separate, 40 and 30. It is not satisfying condition. Then how can
uh,
we say that the equation is correct, sir? Like
so
at least it has to approximately means then it has to show at least up to 39, no, sir. 39 point something like that.
yeah, you are right. But what about for the remaining values? Whether it is the same, or if you substitute
No, sir.
60?
Like 60 I didn't check, sir. On this I'll
Uh,
check.
So actually, Vishal, this is a method we need to follow. Okay, so I just actually this is for what I told for exam point of view. So we will do it now, and then for your argument is correct. but we will discuss that one little bit later. That is good. We will do it separately.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, because I feel that I am going a little bit slow. I heard that some of them finished the third unit, but still I am struggling to finish the second unit. So uh, we will discuss that part a little bit separate. You may call later. We
Okay,
will
sir. Thank
discuss.
you.
Okay. So now, okay, I want to do this problem. Okay, uh, this is the problem in T form. So here the first, okay, yes, first value, first value, last values are same. Hence, we omit the last value. Okay, what is here n? Here n is the number of ordinates. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can omit this one. And 2l equal to, because the length of the interval is 2l, because here have sine and cosine, so it is a Fourier series. So 2l equal to t minus 0. It's a t, this implies l equal to t by 2. So now f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L. L, okay, first I will write L plus Bn into sine n pi x by L. So which is equal to a naught by 2 plus n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means a1 into cos pi x by L. L is what? T by 2 plus B1 into sine n is 1 pi x by t is yeah, L is t by 2. So this is equal to, you can simplify further, a naught by 2 plus a1 into cos 2 pi x by t plus b1 into sine 2 pi x by t. But if it is given the question 2 pi x by t is a theta, so this is a theta, this is also theta. So f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta, where theta equal to 2 pi x by t. So now a naught, what is a naught? So 2 into sum of f of x divided by n, a1 equal to 2 by n, sum of f of x into cos pi x by L. L is t by 2. So A1 equal to 2 by n to summation f of x into cos 2 pi x by t. Okay, cos 2 pi x by t is a theta. So A1 equal to 2 by n summation f of x into cos theta. So, and then similarly, what is the Bn? B1. B1 equal to 2 by n summation f of x into
Sin theta.
sin theta. I write directly. So if you want to write, you can write this step and then this step and then write this step. Okay. So now we should form a table. So how? Okay, the component in the table you should decide. Okay, wow. So the component in the tables are first x and then f of x and then theta. This is the first column x. Second column is f of x. Third column is theta, and then fourth column is cos theta. Yeah, cos theta, and then fifth column is sin theta, and the next column f of x into cos theta, and the next column f of x into sin theta. So I will write here x f of x. So these two are given in the question, and then theta equal to 2 pi x by t, and then cos theta, and then sin theta. F of x into cos theta, f of x into sin theta. So this is here we have just 0, t by 6, t by 3, t by 2, 2t by 3, 5t by 6. So f of x value 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, minus 0.88, minus 0.25. So theta value means when x is equal to 0, theta is 0. Okay, and then this is what when t equal to pi by 6, when x is equal to pi by 6, pi by 3. Okay, this is pi by 3. This is a 2 pi by 3. Next, when x is equal to t by 2, this is pi. 2t by 3 means 4 pi by 3. Next, 5t by 6, so 5 pi by 3. So next we need to find out cos theta, sin theta, and what about this column? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is half. Cos 2 pi by 3 is what? Minus 0.5. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 4 pi by 3 is minus 0.5. And this is also 0.5. And then sine theta, sine 0, 0, sine pi by 3 is 0.866, sine 2 pi by 3 is 0.866, sine pi 0, sine 4 pi by 3 is minus 0.866, sine 5 pi by 3 is minus 0.866. Now multiply f of x into cos theta, column 2 and column 4. That is 1.98. So please check it. If I done any mistake, please point out. Next 0.65 minus 0.525. The next minus 1.3. And then if I multiply these two, half of this, so 0.44. I multiply these two, half of is minus 0.125. And then column 2 into column 5. So 0, 1.1258, and then 0.9093, and then 0, and then 0.762, and finally 0.2165. So if you add f of x, I got 4.5. So please check it.
Yes, sir, I'm getting this now.
Okay, Sheila. If you add f of x into cos theta, you'll get 1.12. If you add this column, you'll get 3.0136. Okay. So now I need to find A naught. A naught equal to 2 into summation f of x by n is equal to 2 into 2 by 6. Summation f of x is what? 4.5. It is equal to 1.5. And then A1. A1 is 2 into, already I wrote what is A1, what is B1, okay? 2 into f of 2 by n, sum of f of x into cos theta. That is equal to 2 by 6, sum of f of x into cos theta is 1.12. That is equal to 0.373. And finally, B1, 2 by n, sum of f of x into sin theta. That is equal to 2 by 6, 2 by 6 into 3.0136. So we get 1.00. So therefore our f of x is a naught by 2, 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75 plus 0.373 into cos theta plus 1.004 into sin theta. So this is the final answer. So there is one more note. The note is in this problem, if f of x represents variation of current over a period capital T, then direct current path, then direct current path is equal to A naught by 2, that is equal to A naught is 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75, and the amplitude of the first harmonic, and amplitude of the first harmonic which is equal that is A1. The amplitude the first harmonic is denoted by A1 equal to root of A1 square plus B1 square. So we know that what is A1, that is 0.37 0.373 whole square, and B1, what is B1? 1.004. The A1 and B1, we know that this is A1, this is B1. So now final answer is 1.07. So I give you a practice problem and then I will finish the class.
So,
Yeah, please.
in the previous problem, like before the previous problem, so the first problem, then instead of 20, 10 is only supposed to come soon, like A naught by 2.
The first problem, Asha.
Yes, sir. The final answer, sir.
Actually, here find an empirical formula of the form f of x is equal to, they are giving A naught, just A naught. So if they give A naught by 2, okay, A naught by 2, then we will do it here also A naught by 2. But they are giving A naught, just A naught. That's why it is, I am writing 20. I will check the book also. Please wait. The book they gave only 20. Okay. The reason is actually they gave A naught plus A1 cos x, okay, plus B1 sin x. Okay, but what about the second problem? Let me check it. Second problem they gave the final 0.75. Okay, what? So it is better to write here A naught by 2.
Yes.
Okay, so they don't give just A naught at A1 and B1 here. So that is a
So if
difference.
A naught is given, we have to write A naught.
Yeah, if A naught is given, so you should write A naught only.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose if they ask the constant term means a naught by 2. Sometimes they will ask the constant term. So that means a naught by 2.
Yes.
Then practice problem. This is type 1 practice problem. That is given data are in pi form. Compute the first three harmonics. Of the Fourier series of f of x from the given data. Okay, x value is given and the y equal to f of x is also given. 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, then pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, 2 pi. So 1, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, and 1. So here also, just I will give the hint. Okay, you can try. Since the last value of y equal to f of x is a repetition. Is a repetition. Repetition of the first. So only the first 6 values will be used. First 6 values will be used. So that means f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to 3. Okay, because the first 3 harmonics an into cos n pi x by L. L is what? Yeah, because this is a 2L equal to 2 pi, L equal to pi. So pi plus Bn to sine n pi x by pi. So that means f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus when n equal to 1 we have a1 into cos x plus I will write here plus b1 into sin x plus next n equal to 2 a2 into cos 2x and then b2 into sin 2x plus then n equal to 3 a3 into cos 3x plus b3 into sin 3x. Well, this sum is the first harmonic. Yeah, this sum is the second harmonic. This sum is the third harmonic. So here n equal to what? 6. Number of ordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And L equal to 2 pi minus 2L equal to uh, 2L equal to 2 pi minus 0. This implies L equal to pi. And I will give the values for A0, A1 and everything. You can check it. A0 equal to 2.9. A1 equal to minus 0.37. A2 equal to minus 0.1. A3 equal to 0.03. And B1 equal to 0.17. B2 equal to minus 0.06. And B3 equal to 0. So here actually just to please tell you, you know, tell what is the table we need to construct. X, f of x, and then what? X, f of x,
Cos x, sin x, cos 2x,
cos x, sin x,
cos 2x, sin 2x,
cos 2x, sin 2x, okay,
cos 3x, sin 3x.
yes, cos 3x, sin 3x, next, actually uh, what is the
And
a
f of x sin, f of x
f of
cos
x
x,
into
f of x
uh,
sin x,
f of x into
cos x,
yeah, f of x into cos x,
f of x sin x,
f of x sin x, f of x cos 2x, f of x sin 2x, f of x cos 3x, f of x into sin 3x. Is it correct?
you have to make such a big table, so
Yes, yes. That's why I cleverly I gave to you. Okay. So because I can't do it here, uh, even in the classroom, so we need a full board. Okay. So
next
I
time no
don't.
one will ask like this, so
Yeah, I don't expect they will ask up to second harmonic. Okay, so that means cos x sin x, cos 2x sin 2x, f of x into cos x, f of x into sin x. So even second harmonic is a little bit difficult. I know that, but I don't expect the third harmonic. But at least one time when you are free. So just to do it, and at least if you solve one problem, then you know the method, but this is little bit laborious. So, but the only thing you should know the what is the first row. Okay, so I don't want to write it here. Yes, I need to write everything. Otherwise, I don't want to write anything here. Okay, so maybe tomorrow I will try to finish harmonic analysis. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask to me. You can wait for me. We can discuss now. Otherwise, we will meet tomorrow.
thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I ask
Yeah, please. Uh, what about
six
whether?
degrees, sir?
Yes, actually, yeah, you are here.
Sir, it is working for, like your answer is working for the 60 degrees, sir.
Sorry.
Mine, like when we consider that 60 degrees, then A naught should be 20 only, sir. Then only the answer is like coming approximate to near to that. Just then I will calculate that
What
value
about
is
60? 60, if you give 60, what you are getting? 21, huh?
like if A not equal to 20, then when you give 60 means it will be getting as 33 point something, sir. 33 point some point something.
If A naught is 20, yeah.
If A not is 20, sir.
Yeah, we should keep A naught is 20.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But like when I trying to solve this equation
Uh,
means I use it three conditions, sir. Like when the f of x equal to zero. Sorry, when the angle is 0 degrees, 90 degrees, and 180 degrees, sir.
uh, uh,
Like I use it to take this. It will be easy to solve that cos x sin x when it is node points, right? So like 0, 10,
uh,
180. So I use it. So I use them to solve the equation. When I try to use them and solve the equation, I'm getting f of x as 30 plus 10 cos x plus 10 sin x. It's working only. It is only working for that three conditions only, sir. Like when the angle is 0,
uh.
180, and 360. It is only
Oh,
working for that only. But for the another values, it's showing error. Like it's showing more than a 10 extra, sir. Like it is adding 10 extra.
yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah,
for
yeah. I
six,
agree. Yeah, I agree with you. What about the second problem?
second
You
problem
may
I
check.
didn't give a check.
You may
Okay,
check.
I will check. Yes, sir, I will check.
Actually, yes, yes. So that, okay, that may be a drawback for if your argument is correct, then that is a drawback. Okay.
Yeah, like I think so. Like if we like I just saw that harmonic graphs should be they're not giving some points also. Like I don't know it is whether correct or not, but I think that they give the points at which the equation they are in harmonic waves means they will achieve two waves no, sir. That is not one wave.
Uh,
So if you see that graph means the harmonic wave will be the two graphs no, sir. I think one graph will satisfy the half condition, and other graph will satisfy half condition. So like that I think so. Like it is
oh,
satisfied. Like if we that the a naught is varying, so that's why that I can't understand why it is a naught is varying. Like if we take
oh,
that a naught as 20, then you can say if we if we verify that conditions means then three of the conditions will be satisfying. If we
okay.
take that a naught as 30 and if we try to verify means then three of these conditions is succeeding and three of the conditions is failing.
Oh,
Uh,
oh, oh.
that's why I just checked that like harmonic waves graphs in the internet. Like
Okay.
there will be in the simply they're like standard form, standard graphs they are showing like that.
Mm-hmm.
So for one node it may be there will be two graphs. One is on the upper part and the lower part. I think so. They will do some. They gave some points which in between that graph points. I think so like
Okay.
that.
So you better to check the problems in the Virnarajan book. Okay. Uh, for example, consider this problem, example one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In this example one, you have the final answer.
Oh, yes, sir.
For example, we have this answer.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
please check if possible, if you have enough time.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
Not only the first column, you can choose any one of the six columns here. So you can check it at least one column, whether
Okay,
it satisfies all the points or it will satisfy only some of the points. You
yes,
can
sir.
tell.
Yes, sir.
You
Okay,
can
sir. I
tell
will
tomorrow.
try and check this.
So okay, Vishal,
Yes, sir.
we'll
Thank you,
meet
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, okay,
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you for. Sorry if I
Yeah,
disturbed
it's,
the class.
yeah, okay. So we will discuss little bit like this after the class.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, we will discuss. If you have
Yeah.
any doubts, then we can
Oh,
discuss it.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome. Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.